What is up? Welcome back with another video. Today we're going to be changing up the back end of the G80 behind me with some new tail lights. So should be a pretty interesting video. Just got the car pulled out just a little bit to keep me in the shade because it's hot as hell out here in Florida. But should be pretty quick install. Shouldn't take too long. I'll do brief, tips and tricks, things to consider. There's just some decent little OLED tail lights that I think will give the car a new look. But yes, I'm just doing little things at this point. I got some big stuff coming. I'm just waiting for them to be built, some major mods. So in the meantime, I'm just kind of like doing these little things. If I come across any deals online, I'll hop on them. So this is another one of those deals. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this one, and let's get to it. Alright, so these are the new tail lights I'll be putting on, and essentially what I'll have to do is of course remove this upper part of the trunk. So getting some clips there, all these blah 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 all up there, pop that up, and then it should just pull right out, and the clip over there. And then next I'll have to get the clips there, clips there. I think that should be it. I should be able to pull it from there. There's gonna be 2 bolts. Oh, pull this stripping up. It will be 2 bolts in here. Boom, boom. One back here. Boom. Take that out. Pretty much it. So I'll probably do a time lapse. Try to keep this thing nice and short. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the final result. Until then, enjoy the music, turds. Alright, so that's off. Just gotta undo that screw. Of course, unplug the light. Alright, so bring it in on this side. So essentially, go here. Damn, that shit fell in the diffuser. So one of those things just fell into the diffuser. I'll try to grab it. I think I might be able to. I think I heard it hit the exhaust, so should be good there. But either way, all good. So you pull this up. Alright, forgot one up here. It's right past the spring here. Let's see where my finger is pointing. It's in that hole. So I should be able to reach it, but that's pretty much how you get it. Just gotta pull, put some pressure on it, pull it back, and yeah, try not to lose any plastic clips into the diffuser. Alright, so things never go easy for me. So I dropped this bolt from the back of the housing, back of the headlight housing. So I had to pull it all out, remove this bottom thing just to get to this little ass bolt so I can put the other headlight on, because that's very important. I couldn't just let that one slide. So yeah, this is what the bottom of the trunk looks like. So that's cool. It's always something when I do something. Fun times. That will be it for today's video. My camera is about to die. It's at 1%. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, I ran into some complications because I'm a dumbass and I tend to drop stuff. So I had to take the whole trunk apart. But it's pretty easy to install. The lights look great. They're smoked OLED GTS style headlights. I believe I got them from forums from another member. So I like it. I think it looks really good. I think it darkens out the back. Looks really good. I'm looking at it right now, and yeah, it's pretty solid. I love the light sequence and all that stuff. So let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, I got some more stuff coming up. It's gonna be a hot summer. That's for damn sure. So until next time, I will catch you guys later. Y'all take it easy. Peace.